Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in 3D scanning, they are the go-to company for all your scanning needs. Whether you need 3D scanning for product design, reverse engineering, or quality inspection, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the skills and tools to deliver exceptional results. When it comes to top-notch 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the rest. Their team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing accurate and detailed scans that meet the highest industry standards. With their state-of-the-art scanners and software, they can capture even the most intricate details with precision and accuracy. Whether you need to scan small objects or large structures, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to handle any project with ease. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is considered one of the top 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi NCR is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized solutions that meet their needs. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and resources to handle projects of any size. In addition to their exceptional 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a wide range of other services to complement their scanning capabilities. From CAD modeling to 3D printing, they have the tools and skills to take your project from concept to reality. With their comprehensive suite of services, you can rely on Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your one-stop solution provider for all your 3D scanning and related needs. So, if you're in need of top-notch 3D scanning services Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Manesar, Delhi, NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise in the field, they are undoubtedly the best in the business. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of 3D scanning services that are sure to cater to all your needs. From small-scale projects to large industrial applications, they have the technology and skills to deliver exceptional results. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every scan is of the highest quality. Their team of experts is well-trained and experienced, ensuring that every project is handled with utmost professionalism. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their state-of-the-art equipment. They use the latest technology and cutting-edge scanners to capture even the smallest details with utmost precision. Whether it's